Okay, so we're going to have a go with this today with a bit of target practice to see how accurate it is. And someone keeps saying to me, right, how'd you load it? And you've done, all you did was take a picture of a tree. Well, okay, so it's a self-cocking pistol, all right?
Pistol?
Crossbow, called crossbow pistol, yeah? So, put it back, push forward. This is your safety, do not touch that whilst loading the bolt. We're going to use a gold one because we keep losing the black ones. Okay, slide the bolt in underneath the little spring clip there, all the way back so it touches the rope. Okay, so as you lift this up, that's your safety off now, okay? Alright, so I've hired this up because we think it's shooting high or low, George?
Shooting too high.
Shooting too high. Okay, and this is a fixed eye, so I think it's just practice actually. So I'm going to aim it where I think it should be. That should be bullseye, yeah? And go. That's hard wood, that. Oh, look at that. Let's try again. After we find the bolt. You see where it went, George? So cock it again. I've got some. There's going to be some Vaseline that came with the crossbow. So you're supposed to use that really. Okay, load it again. That wasn't far off actually. I'll take it down a couple of twists. So what are we there? 5 meters away? 5, 6 meters is it? I'll level off in a minute. With the sun in my eyes, because I'm a professional, and hold on, safety off. These things fly. Like you wouldn't want that to hit you. Look how far it's gone in. So it's gone in that far, and this is what wood's this, George?
Large.
It's quite, isn't it? Quite hard. I know you wouldn't want that to hit your bonds, would you? Okay, so here we go again. Another one. I'll go back a bit further this time. So, Bernie the bolt. There's only a few people remember that at my age. You didn't remember it, do you? You don't even know it, do you? No. Okay, so is that a bit high? So what would that be? Down? Take that down a few more notches. Okay, let's go back 6. You want to stand there, George, please?
Yeah, thanks.
Safety off. Oh, come on, that's not bad, is it?
Still not 100.
Right, let's do it again. That's just fun anyway, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to do one more notch down. Right, we're back another. I'm in the bush this time. I can't see a thing. And that's with the sun in my eyes, so I told you I was a professional. Safety off. I can't see that properly. I it's coming loose a bit, it is slightly. Mind you. Okay, let's see how far I can go back for the last one. Alright. Just to be at an angle. I can't even see this.
Isn't that poor safety?
Yeah.
You can't see what you're shooting.
I can't see a thing. That's like more just no one sticks a head out the side. Okay, we've made sure make sure no one's about. Seriously, make sure no one's about. And when you got the sun in your eyes, we'll have to move that because I can't see that at all. I'm just going to guess. There's no one about. Okay, I'm going to allow for drop. I don't know if I'm going to hit it from here. I did. Well, I mean, I will shoot way off, but I can't even see the target.
Millpois.
Okay, I'm going to go back as far as I can go. The cameraman's not staying there. He's going to go around the corner and hide. But I'm going to go, well, I'm going to go as far as the tree, which is, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 meters. I missed the target. I think I hit the shed. Oh, I did. That's not bad though. Look at that. Oh my God, I tell you what. Oh, you wouldn't want to be hit by that.
That's the point, surely.
Huh?
That's the point.
What? No. Oh, that would cause some damage, wouldn't it? Oh, not an animal shooter, by the way. This is just fun. I might have a fish though, because those mullet really wind me up. There we go. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. This is one of my one of my subscribers said, "Would you do a bit more with the practicing and shooting?" It's quite a powerful beast, considering it's only about. I'll put a link in the description down below where I got it from. There's another video I did on assembly, so if you want to look at that one, I'll put that in the link in the description down below as well. If you like the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. More coming up with this and other things. We've got Alaskan chainsaw next we're going to have a play with and see if we can cut some planks. Okay, take care and we'll catch you in the next video. All the best.